Mesechus Círoבין, Perek Aleph, Mishnah Gimel. The Mishnah continues to describe the dimensions of the Korah. HaKorah she'omru, when the Chazal said that the tikkun for the fourth wall of the Mavoi is by means of a beam resting on the opposite sides or opposite walls, the Korah must be rechovo kedei lekabel oriach. It should be wide enough to be able to have the dimensions to hold an oriach, which is a half brick. A full brick, leveno, Chazal tell us, is 3 tefachim by 3 tefachim. It's a square of 3 tefachim by 3 tefachim. A half brick would be 3 tefachim long and 1.5 tefachim wide. The oriach chatzi leveno shel shlosha tefachim. The oriach is a half brick, that is, a brick being of 3 tefachim. Dayo lekorah shetei rechovo tefach. The length of this half brick, the length would go along the length of the beam, and the width being of this oriach being 1.5 tefachim. That would be, the korah has to be 1 tefach, so that would mean that the width of this oriach is a half a tefach more than the width of the korah. A half a tefach is 2 etzbos, so that there would be 1 etzba on either side of the korah if you were to put this oriach lengthwise across the length of the korah, resting on the length of the korah. The point being, it looks as though that this korah would be fit for building, because when you build with bricks, you leave a little bit over in order to put in the cement. And that's what the Mishnah says. Dayo la korah shetei rechovo tefach. It's sufficient that the beam should have the width of a tefach, kedei lekabel oriach leorkoi, in order to be able to hold a oriach, a half brick, leorko, the half brick having the width of 1.5 tefachim. So the half brick, if it's placed on top of this korah of a tefach, will have 1 etzba on either side, overlapping, if you like, the korah. And in this overlap, you could, in theory, you could put a cement, so it looks as though this korah is fit for building purposes, and therefore is considered to be something which is substantial. That is Adkan Mishnah Gimel.